So you just got your brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, you've got yourself a case for it, and then you're telling yourself, I don't really need a screen protector for my phone because Apple told me that this screen is scratch resistant. Well, that is somewhat true. It doesn't scratch as easy as previous year iPhones, but there's one main reason why you should have a glass screen protector on your iPhone. It is mainly because it protects it against cracking your screen. Your screen is still gonna crack, your screen is still gonna shatter if you drop your phone. So that's why you should have a glass screen protector on your iPhone to help prevent that from happening. This right here is my preferred glass screen protector. I will link it in the description box below, but right now we're gonna go ahead and install this without any bubbles and perfectly aligned. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So we've got my iPhone 12 Pro Max just right here on my table. The first thing you wanna do is make sure you shut it off completely. That just makes it easier in case you get notifications or anything like that, then it will wreck with your alignment process. So it does come with a bunch of different things to apply the screen protector. So first we have a little cloth. We do have little stickers to remove dust. We do have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And we do have this alignment application tool. So very useful things that we have to use to put this screen protector on. So the first thing you want to do is grab your cloth and just wipe the screen down nicely just to make sure any little bits of dust or anything that are on there are off. We'll put the cloth aside. Then you want to grab your wipes. Start with your wet wipes. So let's go ahead and open up the wet wipes. And we're gonna just peel that out. It's a very small little wet wipe. And we're just gonna wet the screen. No worries about your phone getting damaged or anything like that because it is somewhat waterproof up to 30 feet. So no worries about any little bits of wet getting on there. So we got the wet wipes on there. Let's put that aside. Let's open up the dry wipes and we'll dry wipe it down nicely. Perfect. Dry wipe. Awesome, awesome. There we go. All right, dry wipe is now been used. And now you want to grab your little sticker pieces. I'll use the big one here. Take that off. And what we're going to do is we're just going to, you can see there's a little bit of dust that's still stuck on there. So this will just take out any pieces of dust or specks of stuff that you cannot see. And that's perfect. All right. And we don't want to use this cloth anymore because it will leave little specks of dust and stuff on there. And we want to grab now our alignment tool. You can see this one says top. This is the top of my iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and just place that down, press it firmly down on all four sides and then the side of the phone. And we want to grab the screen protector and you want to grab your dust inspector piece again, the little sticker again. You want to use that again just to get any sort of last minute pieces of dust and stuff off of your screen. All right, perfect. We've done that. Now quickly take this piece off right here. There's a little bit of film. Pull that off and you just want to just pressure it up towards the top within the alignment tool. And then just let it rest down. That's all you do. You just kind of just press it down and you can see how it just self-heals itself. So we're just gonna let it go and just heal itself all the way till the end right there. And it might not completely stick down, but it does somewhat. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull this up. You see it did lift up a little bit from there, but that's okay. It's stuck back down. Now you wanna grab this cloth again and you just wanna press firmly on all the sides. No problem. And there we go. And now if we look at the edges, you can see everything is perfectly aligned. It's perfectly placed on there. There's absolutely no bubbles or fingerprints or anything. Well, fingerprints there probably is, but there's no bubbles or anything stuck underneath it. So it's a perfect install of the glass screen protector. So this is a great package with this glass screen protector with the alignment tool and all the little pieces that will help you put on the screen protector. I will link it in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and let me know if you got a glass screen protector for your brand new iPhone.